Hi, today we'll have a quick look at two travel adapters from Rolling Square, the Pocket Travel Adapter and the World Travel Adapter Quick Charger 35.5 watt. These travel adapters have a minimalistic design with a matte black finish and come in eco-friendly packaging. If you're planning a trip, one of these travel adapters should be on your packing list for sure. Let's have a closer look. The Pocket Travel is a unique travel adapter, especially because of its size and worldwide compatibility. With this smart solution, this Pocket Travel adapter can also be used for UK. In addition to this, you can also rotate these little plugs, so it's also compatible for Australia. The Pocket Travel adapter from Rolling Square contains a USB-A and USB-C output. You have more space and if more devices are charged, then this World Travel Adapter Quick Charge is the one you are looking for. It is also worldwide compatible like the Pocket Travel Adapter, but this travel adapter has all the output sources you will ever need. On the bottom you will find 3 USB-A ports, on the back a power outlet for your other electric devices with a power plug, and on the side you will find 2 USB-C ports which supports quick charging and power delivery.